is out. It's a good start coming from Batang Arastre. And in second now is South Apo, Kaligayahan, Babes Magic, Partas, and Fantastic G is the early trailer. As a leader, that's Batang Arastre by about 4 lengths. South Apo in second, Kaligayahan, Babes Magic, Partas, and Fantastic G. And it's still Batang Arastre. Ace all applied, leads by some 6 lengths. South Apo still in second, Kaligayahan in third, Babes Magic in fourth, Partas, and Fantastic G. And it's still Batang Arastre by about 5 lengths. South Apo still in second. Here comes Babes Magic in third. Kaligayahan is on the outside fourth with Batang Arastre still in control by about 4 lengths. South Apo remains in second. Babes Magic as they come down at the last step of the year with Batang Arastre still in front by about 3 lengths. South Apo, Babes Magic is running by there. Batang Arastre still in front, entering the finish line, the horse of Mr. Dondon Babon Jr. Batang Arastre, Babes Magic, South Apo, Kaligayahan, Fantastic G, and Partas.
Okay, bayang karirista, for your race number 8, Banderang Tapos, numero 1, Batang Arastre. Your favorite for this race, Masa Segundo, numero 5, Babes Magic. Tercero, numero 4, South Apo. At papasok sa inyong quartet, numero 3, Kaligayahan.